Hi, I'm Gail Hodgson. Today I'm going to be sharing a little bit about the history of a project called the Treasured Heart. So how this project got started was a friend of mine asked me, it was her birthday coming up, and she asked me if I would put a project together for a group of her friends, including me, and it would be like it's her birthday, but she wanted to gift her friends, all of us, with a cool project that we would do together. So that was really a gorgeous thing for her to do. And so I came up with Treasured Heart workshop, and with using jewelry, because we all love like a glitzy jewelry, all of us friends in our age category. But anyway, we really wanted to do this, and what happened was I was setting it all up and organizing it and, you know, coming up with how I'm going to put it together. And she actually started to become her health declined really quickly too, and which was really, you know, shocking and sad for us all. So what happened was we decided she couldn't attend her own birthday party. We decided to go ahead with the group of us friends. And we made this project for her. We each made our own heart, and then we put them together, there was 4 of us, and we gifted that to her. So that's how that happened.